everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from No Nails. It's Valentine's time. Who's going to take me out on a date?
Me.
Thanks, Gemma. I want some strapping man to take me out on a date. But in the meantime, we'll do some nails. We're going to do some one-stroke love hearts. So we're going to work on this nail today. I mean, compared to the size of my nails, it's quite small.
And your nails are very small.
And I've got little nails, but this is quite a little nail, I think. I do think this little finger's nice though as well. Nice natural nails. I've already prepped the nail. I've removed the surface shine. We have done a video all about how to do a gel polish look. Just a plain gel polish look with the prep and all that. So if you want to check that out, you can do so. So the colour that I've popped on here is Pashmina. You got the shakes
I've got
again?
the shake step back. I'm starving.
It's a good job I'm not painting this nail because it'd be like all over, wouldn't it? But actually right now it's very neat. So I've got 2 coats of that colour and then I have put on the top coat. Before I put this colour on, what did I put on? Because it's a natural nail, I put the base coat on. Base coat, 2 coats of Pashmina and then the top coat. I've got a bit of backing paper off the forms to do my one stroke on, and I've got titanium white and vermilion. Basically it's red. So I'm going to prep my brush by adding a little bit of water to it. I'm going to take off the excess so it's damp. I'm going to put the red on the outside and the white in the middle, where normally if you've seen me do one stroke before, I've done it the other way around. But because we're doing these hearts, I want the outer edge to be red and the inside to be white. So you're going to go side to side on both sides of the brush to blend and get that nice blend. You're going to do that about 3 times. So it's fully loaded. You're going to start, because this is going to be a layered heart. I'm going to start here, like there. And this is going to come around like that. Oh, this reminds me of when we used to paint birds when you were young. You know, remember when I was young?
I used to use a paintball gun.
You used to use a paintball gun to paint birds. That is really, really cruel. You tight git.
How else were you supposed to hit them?
Oh, I tell you what, it's so naughty. Just going to load up again.
Can I just say I didn't used to do that because the comment section's going to go wild.
Yeah, Adam is only joking.
Badly.
Yeah.
Ryan Little.
So you see we're working our way in. I'm going to do a second layer over the top just to make the colours more intense. Right, so to seal this in, I'm just actually going to take off. I just need that little bit of paint here to go away.
Yeah, but you can do that after you've sealed.
No, because the thing is, Adam, if I don't do it now, yeah, the thing is, Adam, the woman's always right.
Yeah.
See, Jamie is right, because
Yeah.
she's a woman. I just need to take off that little bit of paint there, because what if I touch it with the top coat and it seals it onto the skin?
You weren't going to touch it with the top coat.
There's a very good chance that I could have.
Yeah, but you would have took that off with a stick. If you did that.
Stop giving me stick. Right, I need to, because we've gone really close to the cuticle, I do just need to ease that back a little bit, because it will start to sort of come back down a bit. I need to put 2 coats of Urban Graffiti top coat on here, because there is a lot of top coat. I'm going to finish this design off with some cuticle oil. There you have it.
That's so pretty.
On a for real nail as well. A real, natural, wearable nail. Let's hope it's wearable because it's on your finger and it's been grown and it's natural. So there you are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that Valentine's special video for you. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. All the products that I've used today will be listed below, as always. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from I don't know where I'm from.